Welcome guys, once again. This is Billy Crit Engineering Services. Now we are on advanced sewage digester known as bowl digester. There are different ways of doing bowl digester. We have the one using the porous slab, using the concrete slab, and we have the one using the blocks in molding for digester. So we are going to discuss here the one being used for blocks to mold digester, and we've done the one of concrete slab in my previous videos. So I want to show you how to do digester also with blocks. Now this is our porous slabs used to filter in digester. The main work of the digester is to filter, separate the waste from the water, and to purify the water to avoid odor and other things. Then the waste also digest inside the digester. So now these are the blocks we use for this project, the blocks we use for the bowl digester. Now these are the slabs also we use for the digester. All of them we made them right on the site. So these are the slabs for the digester and also for the drainage system of the digester. So the space here we are working is around 4 feet wide. So we have only just one toilet here, so digester also can be done for just one toilet. So this is digester in Benin City in Edo State. So this is Benin City where we are doing digester. This is just 4 feet wide. Now, and we have the enough space to do both the digester and the drainage system. So digester can fit into no matter the size of the place, as long as it is above 3 feet, which is up to 4 feet, digester can fit in directly to it, and digester can work for one toilet, two toilets or more. So this is sewage digester for one toilet using the block to mold it. So this is the area where we did the digester, and you can see from the measuring tape it is just 4 feet and 4 inches, 4 feet and 4 inches. So that was what we dug. That was the space available, and we were able to install the digester successfully. So no matter how small the space is, digester will fit in to it. So guys, I want you to smash the subscribe button and like button and share it. Now we start the digging of the digester. We first dig for the digester about 3 feet deep. Then we dig also for the drainage system of the digester, which we dug around almost 6 feet deep for the drainage system of the digester. So the digester works in a way whereby both the sewage and the water that has been flushed from the toilet, it gets separated, and the waste will digest and the water will drain out to another place, and you won't have to see the waste again. So this is what we dug, almost 6 feet, and we casted the floor for the digester so that there won't be any water penetrating from any parts of the floor for the digester. So this is the way we did the digester in the small available space. The small available space that we have, we're able to install a digester there for just one toilet. So no matter the number of toilets you are, digester can surely work in that area. So we are trying to make sure the water flow to the drainage system of the digester. So that was what we are trying to cross check in this place. So this is advanced sewage digester known as biodigester. It eradicates odor, it lasts longer and better, and is easy to maintain, and it costs less other than the regular known sockaway or septic tank, which we normally do before. So but now this digester is very portable, it's small, it can fit into any size, and it lasts better, no odor, no there will be no cockroach or any other thing. So this is the way it works. So this is the digester itself. We are trying to plaster both the in and the outer parts also. So this is the finishing aspect of the digester. We are dressing it. So that's the point where the pipe will come in. And now this is the drainage system. We're going to lay blocks also in this drainage system, right from the down to the top, and we are going to cover it with a slab. So this is the way digester work. This is digester in Benin City. This is digester in Benin City. You can install your digester for you anywhere in Nigeria. Anywhere in Nigeria, as long as we've reached an agreement. So digester can be done anywhere. So now this is the completion of the digester. This is digester here, and that's this drainage system for the digester at the other extreme end of the fence. So this is the toilet, the one toilet. So we create a channel where uh, you can do servicing for the digester, like the toilet if it get blocked. So we create another channel where you can through the blockage for the toilet itself. So this is the digester for just one toilet. With the available space we add, the digester fits into just 3 feet wide and 3 feet long. So this is the digester, and this is the drainage system for the digester. So this is the way digester works. I know I've explained a lot about it in my previous video. So now this is the service hole for the floor drain, the kitchen water, and many other things. Liquid, the laundry, the kitchen water, and the floor drain, the wash and basin. This is the service, because when we finish filling all this place, this will be only what will be left opened outside. So if there's any blockage in this line or anything, they can chook in K-rod through here to do any blockage to through everything. So it's easy to access from here instead of that chamber. So this is it. I think this is the kitchen one, the floor drain, and this is the laundry, I guess so. And this is the bowl digester. It's the one leaking straight to the digester from the waste of the sewage waste from toilet. This is the ventilation for air to come out from the toilet or any odor. So this is it. While this is the soaking pit for the digester, and also for the one coming from the kitchen, the all burst enter that place. So that's the completion. And that's the pipe coming from the community, bringing water, that 1-inch pipe bringing water from the community. So that's everything. So I want to cover all this place now with sand. So this is the completion of the digester. It is advisable to have a drainage system for your laundry, kitchen, and wash and basin separately. So the digester will be able to work on its own and have its own drainage system. So it is advisable. In this situation, we link the drainage system of the kitchen and the wash and basin to the drainage system of the digester. But it depends on the situation of the floor. So but it is most advisable to have the drainage system for those ones separately, so that it will last better and work perfectly well. So this is the finished products of the digester, uh, for in made done in Benin City with blocks. So we've done the one with concrete slab, and it is also possible you can achieve it with block. So while the casting of the floor is being done, the top slab of the digester is advisable to leave it open in case of future uh, maintenance, so it will be easy to maintain it without having to break the concrete floor or any other floor that has been done. So it is advised to leave the slab up open for the digester. Thank you very much. This is Bello Create Engineering Service.